Did you know kangaroos have one weakness? They literally can't walk backwards. Their giant tail and muscular legs are so thick, it's physically impossible for them to moonwalk. Michael Jackson? Yes. Kangaroo? Absolutely not. So if a kangaroo ever challenges you to reverse tag, congrats, you win instantly. Kangaroos at the gym be like, forget the past, bruh. Gains only go forward. So next time you feel stuck, just remember, even kangaroos can't go backwards, and they're doing just fine. Would you want this as your spirit animal? Comment if yes.